If you're here to learn how to clean your cold therapy machine, you've landed in the perfect spot. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy and Supply Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video, which you can find linked in the description box below. Now let's jump right into it.
Now we're ready to show you how to drain and clean your cold therapy cooler. Please note that this works for the Donjoy, Iceman Clear 3, Classic 3, Osher systems, also the Breg, Glacier, Cube, and Kodiak systems. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect your power supply from the wall and then also unplug it from the cooler itself. Next, you're going to want to remove the lid and set it aside. Then we're going to empty the water from inside the cooler. Once all of the water's been emptied, you're going to want to refill it with warm water. Now, in this case, when you refill it with the warm water, you need to fill it to the number 2 line inside the cooler. Once you've got the cooler filled with warm water to the number 2 line, you are going to want to go ahead and add a 1/3 cup of bleach. Now, this is the recommendation from Breg. They recommend using a 1/3 cup of bleach. However, you can also use a 1/2 cup of distilled vinegar. And please note that if you have hard water or well water, you may want to clean using this system more often or use distilled water instead. So once you've added either your 1/3 cup of bleach or 1/2 cup of distilled vinegar, you want to go ahead, place your lid back on the cooler, plug in your power supply, plug in the power supply to the wall, and then let the system run for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the 15 to 20 minutes is up, you're going to disconnect your power supply, empty the water out, clean the inside of the cooler, and then you're ready to store it in a clean, dry place.
Now that you know how to clean your cold therapy unit, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.